Hello everyone, it's Charlene Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you another quick and easy wig install. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. This wig is from Luvme Hair. I received their 5x5 brown highlighted curly wig, and I will have all the details down below in the description bar. So here I'm showing you how the wig looked when I first received it. And the first thing I noticed was how good the lace looked soon as I removed it out the box. So here I'm showing you the wig construction, and this unit has 4 combs, an elastic band, and also the wig is constructed on an adjustable wig cap. I love the lace on this unit. As you can see, it's blending in very well, and look how small the knots are. So I did go in and bleach the knots to my liking, and this is how the wig looked once I finished washing the hair. So now I'm about to style this unit. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray the hair with my conditioner and water mixture, and then I'm going to brush out the curls. Next, I'm taking my styling mousse and I'm applying it all over, and I'm going for the wet look, so I'm using my argan oil styling mousse. So after molding the front to my liking, I'm going to apply a wrap strip, and I'm going to let this unit dry overnight. So this is how the wig looked the next day, and it's air dried. And as you can see, the hair still look wet, but it's not. So I like the wet look, like I said, but I want a little bit more volume, so I'm going to fluff out the curls just a little bit. So to help with the frizz, I'm adding a little argan oil to my hands. So this is how the wig looked after I finished fluffing out some of the curls. And if you want it bigger, you could just keep on, but this is the look I was going for. So since this is a glueless lace closure wig, the install is going to be so fast and easy. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the lace in the front with my peeking shears. And then after that, I'm applying the wig and adjusting it to my liking. So I'm really loving the wig already as soon as I applied it, but I'm going to help the lace melt into my skin a little bit more. So I'm adding some gel and also some makeup to the front. After that, I applied my lace band for about 10 minutes or so. As you guys can see, this wig is gorgeous. The curls are beautiful, and I love the length. Applied the band for about 10 minutes, and then I removed it, and I wanted a little baby hair right there. I don't know why, but I added a little baby hair right there, and this is the final look. So if you're looking for a vacation wig, honey, that is low maintenance, this is the wig for you. This wig is perfect for the summer, but honestly, I will wear it year round because it's just so gorgeous. So as always, this camera is doing this wig no justice. So I'm going to add another clip in that I recorded on my phone. And as you can see, this wig is gorgeous. Hair on this unit is so soft. I wasn't getting any tangles or anything like that. So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will have all the information about this wig down below in the description bar. So don't forget to check Luvme Hair out. And I'll see you dolls in the next video. Bye-bye.